Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change accounts in Roblox. So you don't need to wasting time by typing in password every time you want to switch to your alternative account, because here I'm going to show you how you can use the official account switcher to manage multiple Roblox accounts. So what you need to do here, once you open Roblox, you can just find the more option or menu, and in here you can just scroll down and you'll find the switch account option. So click on that. If you already signed in with your other account, here you can just choose the account that you want. But if you not logged in yet, you can just click on add account and choose whether you want to log into existing account or create a new account. So let's say I'm going to log into an existing account. So in here, if you already save your login info, you can just choose which one. But if you want to have a new account in here, you can enter the username, email or phone and password, or you can also use a one-time code in here and a quick sign in. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks.